Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm your host Timothy Holt, and this is my backyard. So this week has been an eventful week, but not necessarily here on the farm. We were planning on getting that fence finished, and it's not yet, mainly because of the concrete. You can check out the other video covering that. One thing I am excited about is we tried our hand at a salad mix. A couple of weeks ago, we pulled out our sugar snap peas and planted a salad mix of lettuce. There's arugula in there, red leaf, iceberg, there's a leafy romaine, and 2 or 3 other different varieties of salad. It tastes good. Harvested some of it today for our first cut on it, and it looks really good. So we're going to talk about this in this video. We're going to talk about that salad mix, and then next week we'll cover the rest of the fence in the backyard and our chickens free roaming. So stay tuned for that. So if you come with me, and we'll go through the gate here real quick. You can check out our lovely ladies over there. We're going to be getting a few more, but they are definitely enjoying their freedom. Out of the coop. They do go to bed at night in the roost on their own, which is pretty cool. So let me get this set up here so you can see right there. I started cutting some, as you can see down here, just a little bit to get a taste for it and see how it's going. It came in really nicely, this patch. Weather permitting, we'll get one more cut out of it. So we're going to come back on Sunday, finish cutting the stretch, and then in about 2 to 3 weeks we'll come in and do a final cut on it before letting the chickens in here do their thing. My son Xander, you've seen him in some previous videos. He loves this salad mix. That's another reason why I was really hoping it would come in well. We had the seed, so I figured why not try it. We'll just throw it down, and if it comes up, great. If it doesn't, well, then we're not really out anything. Use it more as a cover crop. But he loves this particular salad mix. He likes the arugula in there. We've got another short sprouting, quick sprouting lettuce. I forgot the name of it, but he likes that one too, all mixed together. Puts a little bit of ranch dressing on there, chops up some lunch meat and a hard-boiled egg. He even throws in some of those cherry tomatoes you can see in the background. Finds it delicious, and it's really healthy. So that's another reason why I like it, is because it tastes good, it's healthy, it's not your run-of-the-mill head lettuce you're going to get at the store. And there's nothing like growing your own food and sitting down for dinner knowing you put some work into it, you let God do the rest, and just enjoy it. So that's it for this week. Stay tuned next week. We're going to have that fence back there finished. Again, weather permitting, we'll have that fence finished, and the chickens will definitely be completely free roaming out here in this wonderful backyard. We may or may not also have a few more, and if we do, we'll talk about that and those in that video. So stay tuned for that, and as always, get out, grow something today, and may God richly bless you.